So hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to recover your deleted Instagram photo as well. So as you deleted your photo, you have been searching how to recover it. So just go to the home page and click on the three dots at the corner over there. The three dots at the corner. As you go to the home page, click on it. Okay, now go to the activity and scroll down and click on recently deleted as shown in the arrow. Okay, so click on the photo that you want to recover and click on the three dots at the top corner and again click on restore. Yeah, restore. Okay, so please click on restore again and confirm it will drive you to this page and you have to click on next. So after clicking on next, a verification code will be sent to your email. Yeah, so let's wait as we receive the email. So please, if today is the first time of you on my channel, please I would recommend you to like my video, subscribe to my channel for more crazy ideas from me. I promise. So subscribe. So as we've seen the code, we are going to type it over here. Okay, so here's the code. Here's the verification code. Please like the video and subscribe. Like the video and subscribe. I beg you. Okay. Okay, so here is the code as well. Okay. So we are going to paste it here or type it. Okay, let's type it and continue. Confirm. Okay, so yeah, click on the top three dot corner. Okay, click on restore again and boom, we are done. So yeah, just go to the home and refresh your page and yeah, you will get your photo. Thank you so much.